Hey guys, today I am going to be making something for my cat. I'm turning this junky closet into something, so stay tuned. I have to show a baby picture at the end of the video. I don't think so. I'll show it to you now. That's me as a baby. I like this one because look at me. It's just me sleeping with a smile. That's cute. You know what I was trying to make? I think it's a paper airplane, but destroyed by the cat. He's mean and vicious. Yes. I just got off a video chat with somebody. That's because, well, oh, and yes, I'm on the YouTube, on my TV too. If you know, if this is yours, Jazz, that is live on the internet, then hit the like button and subscribe. Ooh, crayon box.